Are you looking for a smarter, faster way to automate your content, workflows, or online business using AI without getting overwhelmed by complicated tools? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to walk you step by step through Zaap AI, a complete beginner's tutorial that will show you exactly how to get started, what it does, and how you can use it to save time and boost productivity immediately. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, marketer, or just someone curious about AI tools, this guide will help you understand everything in the simplest way possible. No tech jargon, no confusion. And before we dive in, if you haven't signed up yet, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description below. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So, let's begin. Okay, so to begin with, Zaap AI is an all-in-one creator platform designed to help you build your audience, monetize your content, and manage your online presence all from one dashboard. So think of it as more than just a link in bio tool because with Zaap AI, you can create a customizable link in bio page, build an email and SMS list, you can sell digital products, publish blog posts, send marketing emails, and manage everything in one place. So instead of using multiple platforms for links, products, and analytics, Zaap AI combines them into one simple system. Now, let's talk about the pricing plans and what you actually get. So basically, you have the free plan, which is perfect for beginners just starting to grow with their audience. And then if you wanted to scale up, you have the pro plan. This is where things get serious because the pro plan is designed for creators who want to monetize and grow consistently. All of the while, the ultra plan is for creators who want to level up. You get everything in pro plus all of these perks and benefits. Of course, if you hover down below, you get the agency plan, which is built for agencies and managers. If you handle multiple creators or clients, this is the most cost-effective option. Now, which plan should you choose? I highly suggest you pick the free plan for now. Click the join free and remember to use our affiliate link in the video description and it will forward you to the sign up page. Now, to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using any of the following options. You can use your Google, your TikTok, or your Twitter or X. If you want to use your business or personal email, you can do that as well and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, you will see simple but important questions. And in my case, I am choosing content creator because we are a YouTube channel. Click the confirm button. It will ask you what services do you want. You can choose as many as you want. So we're gonna click all of them and click the confirm button. And then you can also help Zaap AI personalize your experience by choosing any of the following options. If you don't want it, you can safely skip that. And then we will be forwarded to the next option. If you want to link your profile, you can do so. If you want to skip it, it's okay. And then here, what will happen is you need to pick your custom link. This is the URL you will share with your audience. So we're going to click the next button. I like it. And then for your page, you can add your page name or even your logo to reflect your brand and identity. I am going to put a short description. And from here, I'm going to click the submit button. Let's see what will happen from here. And of course, you can choose your layout. For example, let's say I'm going to be choosing something like this one. I like this one. And then click the continue button. If you want to change your mind and choose the basic, pro, or ultra, you can do that here. But in the meantime, we are just going forward with the free plan. Click the get started and we will be forwarded to the main homepage of the Zaap AI. And as you may notice, there is a welcome dialog box if you want to start your checklist. But what I wanted is go directly on the dashboard itself, which is going to be your main control center. You will see the overview of your sales, revenue, subscribers, recent activity, performance stats, It's basically your business snapshot in one screen. Now, to create a new project, all you have to do is click the blue button on the top right corner. You may want to give it a name and click the create project. So we have created our first project and we're going to skip all of these. After that is going to be the page. This is your main public page, like a link in bio or mini website. Now, for example, you wanted to add a block, you can do so. Click the blue button. You can search for any blocks here. Let's say we're going to focus on the basics. Let's choose this for now. Or if you want to link an image, single link, link an icon, social links, text block, it's up to you. We're going to choose the second option. We're going to put in a heading, description, link URL, and of course, the image. And once we have that, create the link button. You would need to provide the link URL. Now, I'm going to put in our YouTube channel's link URL in the section and click the create link. What will happen is you will be forwarded here and we have now added a block. Now, that is for the content. You have the design. You can choose from any of the template given to you by Zaap. Let's say we go to the essentials. You can choose from any of the following options. For visuals, maybe we're going for complete or portfolio. Let's say we're gonna go here at portfolio. Okay, it will replace the block, but if you wanted to keep the blocks, we can do that. Okay, so click the save changes. We're gonna go. It may take a little while depending on the complexity, and we have it here. Now this is gonna be the mobile view. If you click the desktop or laptop view, you have it all here. You have the sidebar layout, wide stack layout, and the thin stack layout. Okay, so for the style, you have the preset and custom. Let's say we're gonna choose all of these. I think I'm gonna go for the fully, or maybe if you wanted the curve, you can do with that as well. For the profile, you can put in the page title if you want, page description, okay? And you can keep all of the branding for you. And then for the socials, you can put in all the social icons and social links as well if you wanted, and the marketing. You can put in a title and the description right here. And then all I have to do now at this point is view the page as the draft that we have created here. And it looks really good to me. Click the create your free Zaap. Okay, so after that, we have the growth section. It has all of these tools and features. Number one is going to be the audience. Now, under the audience subsection, you have the profiles. This is an individual contact records inside your audience. So if you want to add a profile here, click that button, pull all of the information as needed, and click the continue button. So basically, this shows each profile with name and email, purchase history, engagement activity. It's like clicking into one person's full digital profile. And then you have the tags. Remember, the tags are here to help you assign to contacts. However, it requires an upgrade to the pro plan. Currently, I am on the basic free plan. So if you want to unlock all of these, you need to use the tags. All right, if you want to create a tag, you can do so. Enter the tag name, click the add tag. It's super simple. So it will help you organize and filter people easily. And then you have the segments. Basically, these are groups of contacts based on specific conditions. For example, if you want to create a segment, all I have to do is put in the segment name. So you have like people who bought in the last 30 days, or maybe subscribers who haven't opened mails. Customer tag as VIP. You can add a definition here if you want. Let's say search for a specific value and click the create segment. So segments are dynamic, meaning they update automatically based on the rules. And of course, you have the communities. Now, the communities is something that we need to upgrade to the Ultra plan. Currently, I am in the Pro plan, but if you want to go limitless, this is where for creators who want to sell courses or memberships. And then you have the social media. The social media are tools to manage or connect your social platforms. So depending on your setup, you can link your social accounts, share content, track traffic, and capture leads from social platforms. It helps you convert followers into subscribers or customers. So I'm not gonna go ultra right now. I'm going to stick with the pro plan because it's enough for me to explore the Zap tools and features. And then one of the most important part of Zap is gonna be the email marketing. With the email marketing, you can create an email to your audience. Okay, so basically all I have to do is check all the list here, click the next button. Okay, and then it's optional if you want to set up your branded and review all the content here. Click the accept button and click the next button. So you have now the campaign name. For example, this one, put in a subject. Let's say we have this, preview text if you want, sender name, sender email, and reply to the email. Okay, so once you have that here, you can now track open and click rates. This is going to be your main communication engine. You have the content, recipients and delivery, and confirm. Click the continue button. You see, you can now create your own content, right? So we're going to create something here. You can drop like a column, a heading if you want, and you can customize all these. You are not limited with your imagination, and you can add your own branding. Now, after that, click the continue button. We're going to the recipients and delivery. If you want to send it now, send test email if you want. Enter the email address. But for now, we're going to save it as draft. Click the continue and click the confirm button. Save and exit for now. Okay? And then next is going to be the automation. However, the automation is where you set up automatic workflows. It requires an ultra subscription, but with this, it will help you save time and scale your business because when someone subscribes, you can have like a welcome email, and when someone buys, you can send receipt and bonus. Okay? And then we have the blog. Blog is where you can create and publish blog posts directly inside Zaap.ai. If you want to create your first post here, put in the title. Let's say we have that excerpt. And then if you want to upload another branding or your logo, you can do that. Let's say we have this, crop and upload, and then click the continue button. And then of course, you, again, similar to the email marketing, you can put in a heading and then click the continue button. Once you're happy, publish now or click the continue button. You have the content right here, click the publish now button. So you have all these blog posts. But if you want to use a template here, you can do so, which is good for organic growth. And then beside that is going to be the commerce section. So you have like products, sales, discount codes, and invoice. We're going to go to the products. This is where you can create what you sell. For example, if you wanted to add a new product, you can choose from a calendar booking, digital product, memberships, and tickets. Since, remember earlier, if you are in the free plan, you're not going to be able to create your first product. Since I have upgraded to the pro plan, I'll be able to sell digital product. Click the continue. If you want to sell memberships and tickets, you need to scale up to the ultra plan. Click the continue button. Let's say the product name is this. You can put in a pricing. Is it going to be free? Pay what you want, single payment, it's up to you. So let's say it's free for now. And you have all this information. So of course, you can check the interactivity like for the mobile view and for the desktop or laptop view. Okay? If you want to upload your featured image, you can do that. Click the crop and upload. So we have successfully created our first product after defining pricing, delivery, and access here. And then at the bottom is the sales, where you track all the transactions. If you want to start selling, you can do so right here. Since we have created our first product, now we're going to be able to sell it. Okay, so whenever any transactions here, you can see all of the completed purchases, monitor revenue, view customer orders here, track performance, which this is going to be your sales dashboard. And then we have the discount codes. But of course, if you want to use the discount codes where you can create your promo codes, which is useful for promotions and marketing campaigns, you need to upgrade to the Ultra plan. And then you have the invoice. Invoice is super useful to generate and manage invoices, so you can send invoices and track payments to your providers, agencies, and customer projects. Again, it requires an ultra plan. And then the tool section gives you the page analytics. The page analytics right here is the tool that you can see your business is performing. You can track revenue, you see the overview and sessions, you can track the email performance, conversion rates, traffic, and customer growth. So basically, analytics help you make your smarter decisions. Okay? So you have like a post, links, products, and emails. And then for the integrations, however, you have all these sections that could help you supercharge your workflow and connect the tool you use every day. For example, if you're using Meta, Facebook Pixel, Google Tag Manager, MailChimp, you can do so. If you want to connect a platform, let's say we're going to connect our Google Calendar, you can do so. As you may notice, we have successfully connected our Google Calendar. And then besides that, or at the bottom is going to be the wallet. The wallet is going to be where you can see all your funds, available balance, pending balance, and total balance, plus the recent transactions and the recent payouts. So if you have enough balance here, you can start to withdraw. It's super simple. And with that being said, and there you have it. That's your complete beginner-friendly guide on how to use Zaap AI. From setting up your account, organizing your audience, creating products, launching email campaigns, automating workflows, and tracking analytics, now you have everything you need to start growing and monetizing your brand using Zaap AI. If you're a content creator, agency owner, e-commerce seller, founder, or service provider, Zaap AI is a solid all-in-one solution that helps you scale smarter, not harder. If you want to get started with Zaap AI, make sure to use and check out our affiliate link in the video description below. Using our link, support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it allows us to keep creating more tutorials just like this one. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.